Setting up CyberScout identity theft insurance is a straightforward process that provides individuals with protection against identity theft and fraud. To begin, it is essential to understand what identity theft insurance is and how it works. Identity theft insurance is a type of protection that helps cover the costs associated with restoring your identity and repairing any damage caused by identity theft. The first step in setting up CyberScout identity theft insurance is to contact your insurance provider or financial institution to see if they offer this type of coverage. Many credit unions, banks, and insurance companies offer identity theft insurance as an add-on to their existing policies. Once you have determined that your provider offers identity theft insurance, you will need to enroll in the program. This typically involves filling out an application and providing some personal and financial information. You will need to provide your name, address, social security number, and other identifying information. After enrolling in the program, you will receive a welcome package with information about your coverage and how to access the CyberScout services. CyberScout is a leading provider of identity theft protection services, and their team of experts will work with you to restore your identity and prevent further damage. One of the key benefits of CyberScout identity theft insurance is the access to a dedicated fraud specialist who will work with you to resolve any identity theft issues. This specialist will help you to place fraud alerts on your credit reports, freeze your credit, and dispute any fraudulent charges. In addition to the dedicated fraud specialist, CyberScout identity theft insurance also provides coverage for expenses related to restoring your identity, such as notarizing documents, making phone calls, and mailing documents. This coverage can help to alleviate some of the financial burdens associated with identity theft. To get the most out of your CyberScout identity theft insurance, it is essential to be proactive about monitoring your credit reports and financial accounts. You should regularly review your credit reports and financial statements to detect any suspicious activity. If you notice any discrepancies or suspicious activity, you should contact CyberScout immediately to report the issue. In conclusion, setting up CyberScout identity theft insurance is a simple and effective way to protect yourself against identity theft and fraud. By following these steps and being proactive about monitoring your credit reports and financial accounts, you can help to prevent identity theft and minimize the damage if you do become a victim.